Hey everyone, what's up? Today in this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. This video is going to be very easy and helpful for you, so please hit the subscribe button for your support. Let's start the video. The first step is to open Facebook in your mobile phone and click on this hamburger menu on your profile picture. Then go to Settings and Privacy section and click Settings. Now click on this Meta Account Center. Then click Personal Details. Now click Account Ownership and Control. Now click Deactivation or Deletion. Here you will see two options: deactivate your account or delete your account. Choose Deactivate account and click Continue. Now for security purposes, enter your Facebook password and click Continue. If you forgot your Facebook password, don't worry. I have made a video on how to find your Facebook password easily. Link is in the description. After entering your Facebook password, click Continue. Now Facebook is asking you why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Select one of these options and click Continue. On this page, Facebook reminds you that you can reactivate your account anytime by logging to your Facebook Meta Account Center. After reading this page carefully, click Continue. And this is the last step to deactivate your account. Click on this Deactivate My Account button. And now that's it, you have successfully deactivated your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more technical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.